A signature field allows you to sign a PDF providing a digital signature. And similar to the image field, it is not something you can interact with in a browser like Chrome and can only be done in something more proprietary such as Adobe Acrobat Reader. So let's see how you can create a signature field. Let's come back to our script and then let's add another field called fields.signature field to our list. For the name, we're just gonna call it signature. For the page, let's also put it on the second page, perhaps right above our image field. So let's make it 100 and 400. So x equals 100, y equals 400. And then for the dimension, let's also make it 300 points wide, but let's only make it 100 points tall. So width equals 300 and then height equals 100. If we go ahead and run this and we refresh our PDF in Chrome, you will see that it's actually not very obvious, but we did create a field right here, except we cannot interact with this field in Chrome. So if we open this same PDF in Adobe Acrobat and scroll to the second page, you will see that this field does indeed exist. If we click on it, it will ask you providing a digital ID to appropriately sign this PDF. I don't have a digital ID on this computer, so I'm not going to bother to do that. One last thing I'd like to mention is after you have created all the fields on your PDF, this is where you can go back to the top of the script and then either comment out or just simply remove the coordinate grid line because you're done locating your fields onto the appropriate position on your PDF. And if we go ahead and run that and refresh, you will see that you have all your fields created, except now the preview grid view is gone. So that kind of shows you the whole workflow of preparing your own PDF form using PyPDFForm.